Simplex Enterprise, the most versatile ERP solution for small and medium companies. We shall be now discussing the preparation of GSTR1 in Excel format through Simplex Enterprise. We go to Reports, we go to GSTR statement, Destination file. Here we have to specify where the GSTR1 in Excel format shall be located. Let us take the case, we wish to locate the file in the desktop of my computer. We say OK. The period for which we wish to prepare the GSTR statement, say it is 1st March 2019 to 31st March 2019. What are the sales registers we wish to take into account? We want to take into retail invoice 2018-19 of computer. What is the prefix? The prefix is COM. We say OK. And the other sales register is the tax invoice 2018-19. Add. What is the prefix? The prefix is FP. Now we can include any number of sales registers that are required. There is no limitation as far as the software is concerned. Then we click GSTR1. Now the system is preparing the GSTR1 in Excel format, and the same shall be located in the desktop of my computer. Since there are large number of records, the computer takes a little time. At the moment, 23% of the data has been processed, 46% now. %, complete. Data exported to GSTR1.xlsx file. OK. Now let us have a look at the file so created. We go to the desktop of our computer. This is the file that has been created. We double click onto the file. We open the Excel file GSTR1.xlsx. Here, these are your B2B transactions. Complete right from the recipient GST number to invoice number, invoice date, properly calculated in terms of B2B, B2C, analyzed on the basis of HSN codes and so on and so forth. So the data now can be directly input into the GST website without any further modification. Thank you.